this is Prajwol from Prajwol Graphics TV, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make lower thirds in Adobe After Effects. So initially we'll start with a new composition. That's it, Prajwol. After that, let's make a height of 1080, but later on in the later half of our animation we might have to reduce the height, but initially let's make it this composition 1920 by 1080. So yeah, that's it. Okay, now we have to import our logo. So I made a logo in Illustrator, so yeah, drag it here. So now next step is okay. Now let's go to align. I want to align it vertically. Okay, that's fine. Now the next step is, let's take text. Let's type in name, say my name. Okay. Now I'm going to do is, let's go to align and align it vertically. After aligning it vertically, okay, let's align it vertically. Let's drag it a little bit here. Okay, this much is okay for me. Yeah. Now close the eyes of that upper layer. Let's go to scale and rotation. Let's hit the keyframes. Now select these two. Drag it up to nearly about 1 second. So yeah. Now after this, again, I want to reduce the rotation to about 180 degree. Yeah. Now scale. Let's reduce the scale to 0. Okay. Let's put keyframes. Easy is, yeah. I'm fine with it. Let's go to curves. The lower one is for rotation and the upper one is for scale. I want to put it here, and I want to put it here a little bit. You see the small round circle, that is the center of these two, rotation and scale, in curves. So this is pretty much it when it comes to curves. Put my full screen on, so yeah. Okay. Okay, I can make even more faster. That's it, button level. Okay. I'm very happy with this. Now let's put the eye button on and put a keyframe in our position or the anchor point. Sorry. Control Z. It's not the anchor point which we were selecting, so yeah. I don't have any issue with the opacity as well. put a keyframe. Let's, after putting a keyframe, I want to go to about nearly 15 seconds. Let's drag this position. I'm dragging the position. Okay, this is it for position. Now select these two keyframes. You can press F9 for each edge. Let's see up here. Okay, I'm fine with it. Now the next step I want to do is go to the upper layer, which is the text one. Select the rectangle. So okay, now what I have to do is let's go it here, put a keyframe on the max path, and here with the selection tool, select this tool and drag it by pressing Shift on a keyboard. Okay, this is it for me. So yeah, select these two keyframes and easy is it. F9 is the shortcut for easy is. So now what I have to do is go to the curves, I want to adjust the flow of this text according to my first layer, which is the logo. Yeah, and pretty much it. Let's see it once again. Okay. Okay, this is quite fine for me. Okay, let's see it once again. Let's try to make as perfect as it is possible. So yeah, now after this, press U. Again U, press U. Yeah. You'll see this is this small round collapse transform. If you click on this, then your animation won't be rasterized, or it won't lose its quality. Okay. Now we're into 15 frames, so let's select these two and press Alt on the bracket. Okay. Let's see it once again. Let's see it once more. Okay, I'm fine with it. Let's select these two, which are already selected. So Control, Shift and C. It will pre-compose. Let's say low thirds. I'll type lower thirds in Adobe After Effects. So yeah, it is pre-composed. Now next step is press Ctrl and D to duplicate. So yeah, after duplicating, let's see what will happen now. I want to do what? press right click and go to time and time reverse. What it will do, let's say in the result, let's say it one more time. We can press N on workspace, work area. Okay, I'm fine with it. So now press Ctrl and K on the keyboard, and as I said earlier, we might have to reduce the height. So now it's the time. So I'll type in, I'll type 351. Let's see how much it will give. I think I'm fine with it. A reminder, I use the text Helvetica font for typing the name. You can use any which is suitable and which has got the font family. So yeah, now it's the time to render this low thirds animation in Adobe After Effects. So press Ctrl and M. Let's go to the last less. I want to change into QuickTime. RGB into RGB plus alpha. It will be in transparent form. Format is animation. So now the next step is I want to click OK. I want to render it. Press it in my desktop. So yeah, I can press save and I'll render it. It will be rendered pretty quickly because it is not a large file. So yeah, so I'm not going to show the render one, but I'll definitely show the full screen animation, which will be the output as an output form. The transparent result will be there because we have chosen RGB plus alpha. So it will give an transparent output for your project, and you can use this project in any of your this type of project. I'll say not exactly about this, but you have definitely got an idea to make low thirds in Adobe After Effects. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I'll be back with another tutorial very soon. So stay connected and stay creative. And finally, I'd like to say that please subscribe, like and share Prajwol Graphics TV. Definitely if you found this tutorial useful. Low thirds are pretty much used in motion graphics. Adobe After Effects creates really good low thirds. So yeah, definitely I'll be back with another tutorial very soon. So till then, be creative and keep designing, because if you design more and more, then we'll get fluent in designing. Definitely, that's true. So having said that, finally I'd like to say that subscribe once again, and I'll be back with another tutorial very soon. So thank you.